everyone, today we'll talk about one of our products. This is EndoActivator from NMD Nexus Medodent. So this is a device which is used in endodontic treatment to help irrigate and disinfect the root canal system. So it basically contains three types of flexible vibrating tips. You can see here. So it is one is small, this is medium, and this is large. So that agitates the irrigation solution to help remove the bacteria and debris more effectively to improving the success rate of the root canal treatment. So let me show you how it works. So let me take out the smallest one from here. So this is the smallest, like this, and this is the switch button. You can see this is the switch button, and this increase the intensity. So let me switch on this first. So right now it's a maximum intensity. Again, you need to press it here. It's the low, medium, and then maximum. So let's start this by pressing this button. You can see how it's working. So this is the maximum intensity. Then we can make it minimum, medium, maximum. So thank you friends for watching our video. If you like this product, please go and buy online. It's available there.